The Realtor widget. The Realtor widget allows property dealers to showcase their properties using simple interactive forms to input data. It also allows users to browse through the list of properties and publish the one that most fits their requirements onto the websites. Using the Realtor widget is simple and doesn't require any knowledge of software development. Here's a simple tutorial on how to use the functionalities of this widget. First of all, we go to the Content Manager. A dialog box shows all the widgets that are available. From there, we select the Realtor and click on the plus sign to add it to your web page. If you want to see your widget in a separate window, click on the pop-out button to display the widget in a new window. There is a search button at the bottom to search for widgets you wish to use. Here we can give the name of the widget or widgets you're looking for and click on Find. This displays matching records. To understand the Realtor widget, we maximize its widget by clicking on the Maximize button so that it occupies the entire page. First of all, let us add the details about the real estate company. Click on the About Us button. It gives a full word editor with editing and formatting features such as underline, bold, italics, highlighting text, page alignments, inserting tables, etc. Next, in the properties menu, we see a list of all the existing properties. Let us see how to add a new property by clicking on the Add Property button. It gives an entry form with relevant fields such as the complete address, the number of rooms, the number of floors, the year of completion, the area of the particular house, the type of house, the price in currency, in any currency that one requires. Mm, uh, Here we choosing the US dollar as the currency, and all details about the property can be input over here. We can go to the images tab to input any kind of images that we have to show that property in greater detail. Multiple images can be added. The images URLs can be edited, or even a particular image can be deleted if need be. Then we can also add some videos about this property by using the manage videos option. Here we can add, edit, or detail the various details about a particular video. Then there is the locations. We can spot the location of the video on Google Map. Once all the details are added, we can click on the save button to add the property to the list of properties. We can go to the edit button to open the video, open the property, and edit any of the fields that we had added earlier. User can also send a message by clicking on the send button. This gives a form with the subject and message text box. Fill in the details and click on send. We can click on the pop-out button to see how the widget appears to a particular user. So we'll click on the pop-out button to make the properties and some of the details appear in a separate pop-out window. We can click on we see the details of the company in the About Us tab. We can also see all the property details and send message to the company personnel. User can search for a property using a simple search where the MIS, the miscellaneous ID number, can be added and the property matching the string will be displayed. A complex search can be made on the address, the city, the type of status, the number of rooms, which can be given as search criteria. User can also see the contact details along with the personal information. This can be done by clicking on the contact us menu tab. It is from here that the user can also give a feedback about the property or the agent or for the company. The form can be filled and clicking on the send feedback button will send the feedback to the company. Now we close the pop-out window and go back to the main menu. Here we can click on the contact us menu option. There is a full word editor for entering the contact details all about the company. There is also a menu option to add the contact personal details. Here data can be added with details such as the role, the description, the name of the personnel, his email ID and contact number. Save this information. If any changes are required, you can click on the edit button to make the changes and then save it again. Any particular record, personal information can also be deleted if required. A search button allows you to search for a particular record based on the name, the description or the role. We can print this list by clicking on the print button, or we can hide or display this list with the click of a button. Next, we click on the feedback tab to see the feedback received from the users. We also have the messages menu tab, which gives the inbox where all the received messages are stored. User can see these messages by clicking on a particular record. They have two options here, the reply and the forward message option. Reply gives a simple screen with the last message and the two button or field automatically updated. The user can type in a reply and just click on the reply button. The mails can be forwarded to an already existing list of email IDs. The list of email IDs can be updated by adding new records, editing old ones and deleting the existing email IDs. Once the email IDs have been selected, we can click on the add selected button. This will put the selected email IDs in the to box of the mail. This again can be further edited to make any last minute changes, and then clicking on forward will send the mail to all these email IDs. Next, we check out the sent folder. This contains the messages that have already been sent to various users. You can click on a message to open it and see the details, and it also gives you the option to forward the mails to further friends. This widget can now be published on the net using the options menu. The options menu allows users to publish their widget to their website by using an automatically generated piece of code. It can also be published as a button by copying or pasting a given piece of code. The email widget option gives a dialog box to send my email, and we can add to favorites. We can send a feedback, and we can publish on Facebook or Twitter as the case may be. Creating a marketplace on your website is easy. No need to write a single line of code. Simply publish the property details on your website and it's done.